Alright guys, what's up man? Welcome back to Everyday Brothers. Today we're going to be doing my oil change on my KX 250 in the back here. This is going to be my second time taking it to the track, so I'm going to do my second oil change on it. I haven't rode it that long at all, just probably about a couple times. Other than that, I'm going to get into the video for you guys, man. Stay tuned, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content, man. Peace.
Right there, Dad. I can't believe it. That one?
Yep. Oh yeah. I mean, the oil still looks pretty good, man. I mean, don't look that bad. What do you think, Papa?
You haven't rode it like that, bro.
I mean, you can still see the yellow in the oil, so I mean, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep. All right, man. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we got the oil out. It's draining now. It's right down here. The oil is actually still pretty good, guys, because the yellow in the oil, it's still in there. Other than that, I haven't rode the bike like that really, besides to the track a couple times. Other than that, yeah, man. Okay, guys, we are getting ready to open up the oil filter, change to a brand new oil filter. We dropped the wrench in the oil, but that's okay. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try this round two.
Yeah, it's just a tap.
There she is, boys. I'm gonna take her out and get a brand new one.
Need a little smaller screwdriver, Pablo? That's what I did.
Wiggle it out. I wiggle it out. All right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, damn. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the new oil filter in now.
Over there.
You see? So this is the oil filter, guys. This does not look good at all.
Get the new one.
But other than that, we're good. I mean, it's just a couple, just those two spaces really. Other than that, the rest around is completely fine. That's what it looks like inside. It's nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and put our new oil filter in. All right, push that in, boys. All right. Make sure you push it all the way back. Other than that, we're good. I got my cap. Take my oil off. Everything looks good, man. I take care of my bikes, man. So, especially this one, I've taken care of a lot. And wipe underneath of here where the oil's leaking at, so that way we could go ahead and put the new oil in for the bike. right. And tighten this up. You don't want to tighten it too tight, okay, guys? Like right about there. That's perfect. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go with this oil right here. This is what we got for the oil, the 5W40. This is what this bike takes. And then we got the filter already put in, so that's good. Go ahead and get these off of there. Throw these in. We're getting ready to blow bubbles, boys. We're getting ready to blow bubbles. Fuck. I need a damn filter thing. Yeah, give me the blue one. Thank you. I think there's more oil in the bottle.
We gotta get our money worth.
Yeah. Do you think we got all the oil out of there already?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think we should burn the oil bottle and put it in there. You know what I mean?
What?
So that way the bike can go faster. Alright guys, so we got everything all done with the bike. Everything's all done. The oil change is done. Brand new oil filter. I am going to go ahead and start it up for you guys real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff up real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on it, guys. But before we do start it though, bro, we do have to make sure we got the the clear glass.
Yep.
It's up to the second line.
Sure. Alright.
Alright, boys. And then if you see right here, guys, this right here, this clear part right up in here, there's like these two lines. You have to fill it up to the second line. And when it gets down to the first one, then you want to put more oil in it or do your oil change like how I did. But other than that, go ahead. Start the bike up, I guess. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Brothers, man. We ended up doing the oil change on the bike today. We got everything together. Everything came out great. Me and my brother, we rode bikes for a little bit today. I didn't really ride my kicks 250. I just rode my trail bike. After we got done riding bikes, me and my brother, we just washed our bikes and packed up and went home. And now we're having a barbecue and having a good time with family, man. That's what it's all about in life, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and stay tuned for more content in the future, man. Peace.